First, we'll start to explain the transpose function. Here you have data sorted by month, a month per column. So JetPack Data will also create a column for each month, as we can see in file summary. You can transpose those columns into rows with the transpose function that you can find in this tab on the right. Here, you must select the columns you want to transpose into rows. It means the values to regroup under one column. Name this new column, here month, and name the related values of this column, sales, here. In file summary, we can see that all the columns January, February, March disappeared and a new column months appeared, which regroups them. Another advanced function is the date conversion. In timestamp, we have the hours, minutes, seconds of each data. We can extract the hour, for example, it means classify the contracts according to the hour they were signed. In the date column, we could also have extracted the annum by clicking on year. Another possibility with this date column, we can extract the day of the week to create a new column with those days of week. New columns have been added on the left: hour, year, and day of the week. All these extracted from the date and timestamp columns. Another advanced function, the buckets. We can add a new column from several segments. For example, we choose the segments we want to regroup, here the three first ones, and I name this bucket Product Bucket 1. I add a bucket by clicking on the plus. I name it Product Bucket 2. And finally, I name the column that regroups these two buckets Product Grouped. We find this new column on file summary, again, with bucket 1, bucket 2 in it. These values will be exposed in analysis. Finally, we'll explain the Evolutive Python function. You can manually add new columns, as we explained in the video file summary. You choose the columns that will contribute to the construction of the new one, and you formulate the criteria. Here, for example, sale price multiplied by sales will give us gross sales, what enables us to add the column gross sales. We can also add a true or false criteria. Here, for example, true or false, depending if the sale price is superior to 5. We add the column. We save all these steps as not to have to do it again later. With Build My Graph, we'll use this new column with natural language. We can use it. Perfect. You can also comment a graph before saving it. To explain the predictive function, we'll work on the sales per date. Here we have the general trend in chronological order. We can use several lines to observe it, to have several precisions. We can superimpose these trends. Finally, the predictive function enables us to draw extrapolations based on the 15 previous values, for example here, or 20. It can predict us the 2 or 5 future values, for example. We click on Save, and everything is stored in dashboards.